In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook emails in New Outlook. If your inbox is not showing the latest messages, or you're waiting for an important email to appear, refreshing Outlook is a quick and simple way to make sure your mailbox is up to date. This is especially helpful if you think new messages may have arrived, but they are not showing yet in your inbox. To begin, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is fully loaded, look for the Mail section and click on it if you are not already there. This makes sure you are viewing your email area rather than another part of Outlook like Calendar or Contacts. Next, click on Inbox. This is the folder where your incoming emails are displayed, and it's the best place to refresh when you want to check for the newest messages. After selecting Inbox, make sure the Outlook window is active so your keyboard shortcut works properly. Now, to refresh your emails, press F9 on your keyboard. This tells Outlook to check for updates and refresh your mailbox. After you press F9, Outlook will update your messages and look for any new emails that have arrived. In most cases, this only takes a moment. Once the refresh is complete, your inbox should display the latest available messages. If you are waiting for a new email, this is the easiest way to prompt Outlook to update right away, instead of waiting for it to refresh automatically on its own. A helpful tip is to make sure you are clicking inside the Outlook window before pressing F9. If another app is selected, the shortcut may not work as expected. Also, if your internet connection is slow or unstable, Outlook may take a little longer to pull in new messages, so give it a few seconds after refreshing. This method is useful anytime your inbox seems delayed or you simply want to manually check for the newest emails. It's quick, easy, and something you can do whenever needed. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Mail, click Inbox, and press F9 to refresh your emails and update your messages.